I hope you all are good at your homes. Are you studying or not? I hope you all are studying today, now at your homes. So today we are going to start the next topic, that is more and less. In the previous class, I know that Bhanu ma'am has already taught you about the numbers, the place values, increasing, decreasing order, that is ascending and descending orders. Now we are going to learn what is more and what is less. We call more and less, that is comparing numbers, that which is one is greater than and which is smaller than. Our topic is more and less. Okay children, do you know what is more and what is less? Okay, I'll tell you. More means the numbers which are, for example, we are taking one example, that if you have 4 chocolates and your friend is having 3 chocolates, which one is more? You are having 4 chocolates, so 4 is greater number and the chocolates you have are more than your friend, that is more. What is less? If your mother is giving you 10 chocolates and your mother is giving you 5 chocolates, which one is less? Your friend is having 5 chocolates and that is the number which is less than 10. So your friend is having less chocolates than you. Coming to the next page, that is page number 17. We are having one exercise, that is self-practice 1B. Here we have the first question. Color the set that has less fishes. Now in your textbook, look at the page number 17 over here. Here are some pictures of fishes at right and left, both the sides. Which one is left? We will just count and then we will color it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this box we have 4 fishes. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So children, which one is less? The box which is having the 4 fishes. So we have to color the 4 fishes, that is less than 5. The next question we have, color the set that has more ducks. In the previous question we were having that the less fishes we have to color. In the next question we have the more ducks we have to color those ducks. Which duck is more? In this box we have 2, 1 and 2. The other box is having 1, 2 and 3. So 2 is less and 3 is more. So we have to color the 3 ducks. Coming to the next question, we have take the bigger number. Bigger, what it means? Bigger means if you are having 2 pieces of cake and one is smaller and one is bigger. Okay, I'll draw here. This is one triangle. This is second triangle. Which triangle is big? The first one or the second one? This is small one and this is big one. So it is small and it is big. S is for small and B is for big. In this question we have to take the bigger number. Okay. For example, if you have 4 and you have 6. Now here you have 4 fingers and the other has 6 fingers. So which one is bigger, 4 or 6? Obviously 6, so we have to take the 6. Coming to the question, in the first A part, that is written 5 and 3. Here it is 5 and here it is 3. Which number is bigger? The number 5. So we have to take the 5. And rest B and C part you have to do. Coming to the next question, we have the question, take the smallest number. Now, whatever the number is smaller, we have to take that number. Taking one example, 1 and 6. Which number is less? 1 or 6? Obviously 1. So we have to take the less number, which smaller one. Here the 1 is smaller, so we have the 1. So in the fourth A part, we have 7 and 8. Which one is smaller? The number 7. We will take the 7. Now children, you have to do the rest B and C part. Coming to the next question, question number 5. There we have to do is the comparison of the numbers, more and less or equal to. In the first, we have some pictures given here. The two boxes are given here, first and second. Here are 7 bottles and the next one is having 8 bottles. So write the equal to, smaller, greater to mark the each number sentence is true. Whatever the numbers we have, they are greater than or smaller than, we have to give them the marks. So in 1 we have 7 and 8. Which one is more? The 8 one. So we have to mark. Here the 7 is written and here 8. Which is more? 8. So we will make this sign. In the next one, B part, we have 4 balloons and 3 balloons. 4 and 3. Which one is greater? The 4. Last we have 2 and the second one is also having 2. So 2 and 2, they both are equal. So what we will do? We will put equal to sign. Coming to the next question, question number 6. The question we have, fill in the blanks with correct sign, greater, equal to or smaller one. In the previous question, question number 5, we have already done. So I hope you all have understood what is the smaller, what is the greater and equal to sign. Now children, you have to complete exercise, self-practice 1B exercise. Next topic, increasing, decreasing, that we have already learned. So children, you have to complete the exercise which is on page number 18. Coming to the next topic, we have knowing ordinals. Now children, just tell me, do you know what are ordinals? Have you ever heard the word ordinals? Or your friend asked you or your teacher asked you what are ordinal numbers? Okay, I'll tell you what are ordinals. Ordinals are those numbers which shows us the position. For example, if we are standing in a line, your friend is standing at the first of the line and one friend at the last, and you are in between. Taking here one example. Four persons are standing. 1, 2, 3 and 4. The person standing at the first position is given first. At the second, the person is having the second position. Person at the third has the third, and at fourth is having the fourth. Now the persons who are standing in a line, they don't know at which place they are standing, but now they are given the numbers that the person at the first is the 1, then second, third and fourth. So whatever the numbers which are given to the person, or the ordinals are those that tell us the position of a person. Taking one more example, if you are sitting in a classroom with your friend on one bench, one friend is sitting at the right side and the other at the left side, and you are in between. So the friend which is at the right side, or the friend which is after you and before you, at what numbers they will be? Here you and two persons near you, one here and one here. The person before you will be, what will be the number of that? 1. And after you is 3. So your friend is having 1 and 3 position and you have 2. These are the ordinals. Okay? The ordinals are the number that shows us the position. Next we have the exercise on page number 20. Exercise self practice 1D. Question number 1. Now children, before starting the exercise, one thing we have to learn is that these are the position which we have given to your friend and to you. But these are the numbers. Now how we will write these number in the names? We have to give names also. How we write first? F-I-R-S-T, first. How we write second? S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Third, how we will write? T-H-I-R-D, third. How we will write fourth? F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. So these are the numbers and these are the names of the number. Now we will start the exercise on page number 20, self practice 1D. The question we have, starting from the left, write the words for the position of the pictures marked cross. What has been done for you? Now children, here are some pictures in your textbook where the cross has been made. Before that, you have to just count that how many numbers will come in the box. First one, we have fishes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Total we have 9 fishes. And when we are starting from this side, the left side, when in between there is one cross marked. Till that we have to count and we have to just write in the box that what is that number on which the cross has been made. So look in your textbooks everyone. In the first one, we will start from left side, from this side. 1, 2, 3 and 4. On the fourth fish, we have one cross made. So in bracket what will come? 4, and we have to write the spelling of fourth. Next we have to start from here. 1 and 2. So what we will write? We will write second. How we will write second? First like this, then the spelling. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Then we have C, D, E, F, G, H part. And this is your homework that you have to do. Coming to the next question. The question is, starting from the right, color the following pictures as directed. Now children, in the next question, what you have to do? You have to start from the left side and you have to color the picture which is given in the numbers which are given in the box. That from left side you will start from this side and you will just color the second picture and the seventh picture. And in the B part you have to color the kite at the fourth place and the sixth place. Coming to the page number 21, the question we have, fill in the missing ordinals. I told you what are ordinals? That shows us the position. Here are the balloons in a row and the missing numbers we have to write. The first one is given first, then 2 balloons are blank, then we have fourth. See in your textbook. So what will come after first? Here it will come. What will come after first? The second. Then we will have third. The fourth is given to you. Fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. Then we have ninth and the last one is 10th. Coming to the next topic, we have addition. Now you all know what is addition. We will learn how we add the numbers. Till now we have just read about the numbers, that what are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10 or 20. But how we add these numbers if we are given 2 numbers and if we ask that what is the sum of that numbers? So what we will do? We will add those both the numbers and find that this is the sum of the number. Here we have We have to plus because we have to add them. Okay. Here what we will do, we will make the flowers. These are the flowers. And what are the number of that flower? 5. So here we will write 5. Now we have to count. Here are 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 plus 5. After 4 we will count 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So what will be the sum of 4 plus 5? That is 9. Now children, coming to the next page, page number 22. Here we have self-practice 1E on page number 22. The question we have, count the objects and add the numbers. We have taken one example and we have done. So you have to complete the exercise at the page number 22, that is self-practice 1E. In the first one, at the one side you have the 3 roses and the second one you have 4. What is 4 plus 3? 7. So you have to write 7 in the circle which is given in your textbook. Okay children? Now coming to the page number 24. Here we have exercise self-practice 1F. Complete the following addition facts. One has been done for you. If in this, one thing you have to keep in mind, that whatever the number we have, whether it is 8, 10, 15, 16, 5, 4, any number, and if we are adding 0 to that number will remain same only. The number will not change. For example, 4 plus 0. If you are having 4 chocolates and your friend is giving you 0, means he is giving you no other chocolate, only you have 4 chocolates, then what is the total chocolates you are having? That is 4 only. Okay children? The next question we have, write the correct numbers in the circle. Now in this, what you have to do is, the question is given 5 plus 3 equals to 3 plus 5, and then we have equal to 8. Now we have to make the 2 pairs of the same number. The first one is done for us. The B part we will be doing. First we have okay children, we have the question number 2. Write the correct numbers in the circle. हमें इसमें क्या करना है? We are having the numbers. Okay. First question is done for us. Second we have to do. तो इसमें क्या नंबर दिया है? We will just see. 2 plus 4 equals to one big circle, then plus 2 equals to one more big circle. Now what we have to do is 2 plus 4 कितना होता है? We know 6. But यही सेम नंबर हमें यहाँ पर भी लिखना है और फिर उन दोनों का सेम सम होना चाहिए. तो हम क्या करेंगे? पहले में हमें लिख कर दिया है 2 plus 4. तो हम क्या करेंगे? 2 तो यहाँ पर ऑलरेडी है. We will write this 4 here. 4 plus 2 भी 6 ही होता है और 2 plus 4 भी 6 ही होता है. So we will write 6 because we have to just write the numbers. First we have to write 2 plus 4, then we have to reverse those numbers 4 plus 2, and then we have to write the sum of both the numbers, that is same, that is 6. Taking one more question, that is C part. The question we have 7 plus 2 equals to 2 plus 1 circle equals to one more circle. जैसा कि हमने ऊपर वाले क्वेश्चन में देखा है 7 plus 2. 7 plus 2 कितना होता है? 9. अब हमें क्या करना है? 2 तो लिखा हुआ है. We have to write this 7 here. 7 plus 2 और 2 plus 7 कितना होगा? 9. So we have to write 9 in the circle. The sum of both the numbers is 9. I hope children you will complete the rest of the question D, E and F. The next topic we have vertical addition. Vertical addition क्या होता है? Have you learned about this vertical addition in the previous class? Okay, we will learn now. Okay children, we will learn two additions that are horizontal and vertical. Horizontal we have just learned before starting the new topic. Here I will take the example of horizontal and vertical. Horizontal addition. Vertical addition. Now what is horizontal addition? 5 plus 3. If we write the numbers in one line and we add those numbers, that is the horizontal addition. 5 plus 3 कितना होता है? 8. We will write 8. So this type of addition is known as horizontal addition. Taking the next example, the vertical addition. Here we have 2 fishes, so we will write the number 2. In the next we have 3 fishes, so we will write the number 3. Now children, 3 plus 2 कितना होगा? 5. So this type of addition, which is in the numbers which are written first here and the second one here, then we add both the numbers, we call this addition as vertical addition. Look in your page number 24. Here is the example of the vertical addition. Okay. Now we have, coming to the page number 25. We have the exercise self-practice 1G. Add the following. One has been done for you. Now there are the sums given on page number 25. There are 20 sums. Okay. And one is done for you. And you have to add the numbers and write the sum of both the numbers. I will tell you how you have to do the questions. The questions are given in the vertical addition type. Okay. First is done for us. Second we have to do. In 2 we have 5 and 4. We have to add both the numbers. Now how you will add? We will add by making the lines. Here is 5. We have to make 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The next we have 4. We will make 4 lines. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now children, you have to count all the lines together. And then we will come to know that what number we will get. So we will start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So what is the sum of 5 plus 4? We have 9. Like this you have to do the rest all the questions till 20. Coming to the page number 26, we have word problems. Now what are word problems? In this you will be given one question and you have to add the numbers and tell that what the total number they are asking to us. Taking the first question, just look in your textbook page number 26, self-practice exercise 1H, question number 1. Look at the pictures and answer the following. 4 children were swimming in a pool. Now at first, which number is given to us? 4. Looking at the first question, we have 4 children were swimming in a pool. Now how many children were swimming in a pool? That were 4 children. Okay. Next we have one more child dived into the pool. Now one more child has come to do the swimming in the pool. So what we have to do? We have to plus 4 plus 1, because in that question what is written? That one more child. What does the word more means? ज़्यादा. मतलब we were having 4 children in the swimming pool. One more मतलब एक और आ गया उसमें. Then what is the number we get? That is 5. So here we will write 5. In your textbook, look at the page number 26 in question number 1. Here you have to write 4. Then you have to write 1 here, and then the sum of both the numbers, that is 5. And in the next circle, in the next line, you have to write 5 children are swimming in the pool. And why we have to write this line? Because it at the last line of the question we have how many children are swimming now. What they are asking कि अब कितने बच्चे हैं जो स्विमिंग पूल में स्विमिंग कर रहे हैं. So how many children we have? We have 5 children. So we are writing that line that 5 children are swimming in the pool. Now taking one more example, not from your textbook, I'll ask you. Okay. The question is, I am giving you 4 chocolates and your friend has given you 2 more chocolates. How many chocolates I have given you? 4 chocolates. And how many your friend has given you? 2 more chocolates. Now, what the sign we will put here? I already told you that the question is saying 2 more chocolates your friend has given you. More means ज़्यादा. आपके फ्रेंड ने कितनी ज़्यादा दी आपको? 2 chocolates more दी. तो हम कौन सा साइन लगाएंगे? प्लस का साइन. So we are going to add 4 plus 2. What is the sum of 4 plus 2? We have 6. So what will be the line at last? 6 chocolates I am having. Now you have to do the question number 2 and 3 on page number 26. Now we have coming to the page number 27. We will learn the subtraction. Subtraction क्या होता है? That is minus. If we are having 5 chocolates and I take 2 from you, how many is with you now? 3 chocolates, because आपके पास में 5 chocolates थी और 2 chocolates मैंने ले ली. अब कितनी बची आपके पास में? You have 3 chocolates. Now we will see the exercise on page number 28. That is self practice 1I. Cross out to show how many are left. One has been done for you. Now in this question, A part is done for us. We are having how many fishes we have? The 5 fish we have. From that 3 are crossed. हमारे बुक में 5 फिश बना रखी है जिसमें से 3 फिश को कट कर दिया है. अब जितनी फिश बची है जिनको हमने कट नहीं किया है, द नंबर वी हैव टू राइट इन दिस सर्कल. बिकॉज अगर मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिया था 5 चॉकलेट्स आपके पास में है और अगर 2 मैं ले लूँगी तो कितनी बची? 3 चॉकलेट्स. तो पॉन्ड में कितनी फिश थी? 5 फिशेस थी और 3 हमने बाहर निकाल दी तो कितनी बची? 2 फिश बची. तो हम सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे बी पार्ट. Now in that we have 4 snails. कितने स्नेल है? 4 स्नेल. और नंबर क्या लिखा है माइनस के आगे? 2. अगर हम 2 स्नेल को कट कर देते हैं, 4 में से 2 स्नेल कट हो जाएंगे, कितने बचेंगे? 2. So what the number will come here? That is 2. Coming to the C part, we have 7 pencils. कितनी पेंसिल है हमारे पास में? here we have 7 pencils. Now the number 7 is written at the bottom. The minus sign is being made. This is called subtracting the number. This sign shows that we have to subtract the number. This is the sign of addition, that we have to add the number, and this is the sign of subtraction, we have to minus that number. Now here we have 7 pencils and the number is written 5. अब हमें कितनी पेंसिल्स को कट करना है? 5 पेंसिल्स को. स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 पेंसिल्स हमने कट कर दी. कितनी बची हमारे पास में? वी हैव 2. So in circle, what number will come? 2, because we are having 2 pencils. Now children, the part D, E, F, G and H you have to do by yourself. Coming to the next question, we have separate the following by drawing and crossing out the lines. One has been done for you. I already told you in the previous that if we are given the numbers, how we will add? By lining them. Now in that subtraction, what we have to do? The number is given to us. For example, 8 minus 6. What we will do? We will make 8 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. अब हमें कितनी लाइंस को कट करना है? 6 लाइंस को. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. कितनी लाइंस बची हमारे पास में? We have 2. So 8 minus 6 equals to 2. यही हमारे सेकेंड क्वेश्चन में भी है. That the number is given to us. First, जो नंबर पहले लिखा है हमें उतनी लाइंस बनानी है. जो नंबर बाद में लिखा है हमें उतनी लाइंस को कट करना है. फिर जितनी लाइंस बचेगी वो क्या होगा? हमारा सम होगा. So children, coming to the next page number, we have 30 page. वर्टिकल सब्ट्रैक्शन. जैसा हमने वर्टिकल एडिशन किया था वैसा ही वर्टिकल सब्ट्रैक्शन भी करेंगे. हमने वर्टिकल एडिशन कैसे किया था? हमने ड्राइंग्स बनाई थी, दो एक ऊपर बनाई थी, एक नीचे बनाई थी, फिर हमने उन्हें काउंट करके नंबर्स लिखे थे. एक एग्जांपल लेते हैं. अभी हम क्या सीख रहे हैं? माइनस. तो क्या होगा? सब्ट्रैक्शन होगा. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? वर्टिकल सब्ट्रैक्शन. मतलब हमें क्या करना है? माइनस करना है. सो द नंबर वी हैव 4. Sorry children. Here we have to write the total number, that how many apples are on the board. We have 7 apples. Now we have to cut 3 apples. One, 2 and 3. जब हमने 3 apples को कट कर दिया, अब पीछे कितनी बची? We will count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. कितनी एप्पल्स बची? 4. So we will write 4 here. 7 minus 3 कितना होता है? 4. So this type of subtraction is known as vertical subtraction. Now we will see the questions on the same page, page number 30. Complete the subtraction facts. One has been done for you. In the first one, the birds are given to us. In total, we have 8 birds. And how many we have to cut? We have to cut the 6 birds. So, look in your textbook. Here are the birds given to us. And now, what we have to do? They are total 8 birds. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And we have to cut the 6 birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In total, how many the birds we have cut? That are 6. So how many are left? 2 birds. So we have written here 2. In the next question, there are 7 pencils given to us. Look children, 7 pencils. And they are asked us to cut the 4 pencils. If we will cut the 4 pencils, how much number we will get? That is 3. Like this children, you have to complete the question number 1, and that is on page 30 and 31. Coming to the next question on page number 31, we have subtract by drawing the lines and crossing out. One is done for us. Now in the first one we have the number is given to us 6, and the next we have 2. Now we have to subtract that number. What we will do? I told you, जो नंबर पहले लिखा जाता है हम उतनी लाइंस बनाते हैं. तो पहले नंबर क्या लिखा है? 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. कितने हमें नंबर्स कट करने हैं? 2. हम हमेशा यहाँ से कट करेंगे 1 and 2. The right side. How many we have cut? 2. कितने बचे? 1 2 3 and 4. The number we have 4. यही हमारी बुक में कर रखा है. Next we have the B part. The numbers we have 8 and 3. What we will do? First we will make the lines. 8 lines. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8. We have to cut the 3 lines. 1 2 and 3. Now we have to count how many lines are left. They are 1 2 3 4 and 5. The number we get is 5. तो हमने क्या किया? जो बड़ा नंबर था उतनी लाइंस बनाई, जो छोटा नंबर जो उससे नीचे लिखा हुआ था उतनी लाइंस हमने कट कर दी. Then we get the number, the sum. So children, you have to complete this question till the part T. Coming to the next page, page number 32. We have the word problem. First we have learned about the addition, the plus. We have to when we are given more in the question, we have to add that number. But in this question, it is something different. That is, when the less is given in this number, or they will ask you how much chocolates, how much the birds, or how many people are left, then we have to subtract that number. If the question is asking how much less you have, or how much the number is left with you, or anything, then we have to do the subtraction. Okay. Coming to the exercise self practice 1K on page number 32. The question we have, look at the picture and answer the following questions. Question number 1. 5 bananas were in the basket. Now in the question they are saying us that they have one basket and there are 5 bananas. Neha took away 2 of them. Now what the Neha did? She took the 2 bananas from the basket. Now how many bananas are left in the basket? Now what the question is asking to us? How many bananas are left in the basket? Left कितना होगा मतलब कितने बचे हैं. अगर हम यहाँ पर more यूज करते हैं तो क्या होता? कितने ज़्यादा हैं. बट इन्होंने क्या यूज किया है? Left मतलब कितने कम हैं. So first we will write.
देखो मनोज जी की क्लास देखते हैं ना.
If the question is asking took away or less or how much is left, then what we have to do? We have to just do the subtraction. और subtraction को हम क्या बोलते हैं? We say that minus. You all know what is minus? This is the sign of minus. मतलब हमें उसमें से कुछ कम करना है. Here are the bananas we have. 5 bananas in a basket. Here, which sign will come? The minus sign, because the question is saying how many bananas are left in the basket. कितने बचे हैं? तो हम क्या करेंगे? माइनस करेंगे. Now in the question there is one girl. एक गर्ल है आपके जैसी. She took 2 bananas. She was hungry, so what she did? She took the 2 bananas from the basket. Now 5 minus 2. If you have 5 bananas, and 2 is 2 you have to, then how many will be there in the basket? 3. हम कैसे माइनस करते हैं? The bigger number, the number which is written first, we have to make the lines. 5 we had made the lines. Then we have to cut 2 lines. 1 and 2. कितनी बची है? 3. 1, 2 and 3. So कितने bananas बचे हमारे पास basket में? 3 bananas. The next question is, 9 chickens were eating grains. Now there were 9 chickens, and what they were doing? They were eating the grain, the food they are eating. 3 of them went away. 3 जो थी वो चली गई. How many chickens are left eating grains? Now how many were left and they were eating? We have 9. How many we have to separate? That is 3. तो हम कैसे separate करेंगे? First we will make the 9 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. कितनी माइनस करनी है? 3. 1, 2 and 3. Now we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. तो कितनी left है वहाँ पर? Only 6. The next question, question number 3, you have to do. Coming to the page number 33. Chapter test. Now in this, guess the number and write them. Now here are some questions. I am a number just after 5. What the first A part is saying? That I am the number and I am just after 5. क्या बोल रहा है? मैं ऐसा नंबर हूँ जो just 5 के बाद में आता हूँ. What comes after 5? In counting, if we count from 1 to 10, after 5, which number we count? We will start from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 के बाद क्या आता है बच्चों? We have 6. So what will come? 6. उसने क्या बोला? Just after 5. 5 के बाद में क्या आता है? The number we have, that is 6. तो A में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 6. The B part. I am numbered just before 9. Before क्या होता है? पहले. जब हम numbers लिखते हैं, 9 से पहले क्या आएगा? We will count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. तो 9 से पहले हमने क्या काउंट किया? 8. So what is the number? That is 8. तो B पार्ट में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 8, क्योंकि ये just 9 से पहले आता है. Next we have, I am a number just after 3 plus 0. Now what the number is saying? 3 plus 0. जब आप 3 को 0 से प्लस करोगे, मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, जब हम किसी नंबर को 0 से प्लस करते हैं तो जितना नंबर हमारे पास होगा या जितनी चॉकलेट्स हमारे पास है उतनी ही रहेगी. So what the number will come? That is 3. In C part we will write 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. Okay children, now the rest questions, that is the D, E and F, and the rest 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on page number 33 and till page number 34, the 11th question and the mental maths you have to do by yourself. Thank you.